A year later, the ordeal of depositors with the scam hit Sri Guru Raghavendra Sahakara Bank in Karnataka continues to worsen.
The ordeal of depositors is not something new. Even the government is quite aware what is happening here in Bengaluru. Politicians have promised that they will address these issues, but still people are struggling to get their money back.
Depositors facing health conditions and financial crunches have taken to the streets to highlight their plight.
January 10th of 2020, we are facing immense hardship. We have been only given first initially 35,000 and subsequently we were given allowed to withdraw another 65,000. So from past 1.25 year, nearly 1.25 year, we are surviving on only 1 lakh rupees.
Healthy mother-in-law got suffered because of this and she was in ICU for last 6 days only because of this. Because she had a lot of hopes when some leaders committed saying that something will happen in another 3 months, but nothing happened for almost 15 months. We were almost in the verge of losing her. So it is my case. There are so many people who are undergoing the similar kind of a situation. See, we have very good leaders in Bangalore and the government also, if we take centrally also, we have the same government, here also same government. Why we are not getting that kind of a support?
Bearing two demands, justice and return of their hard-earned money.
Retired official, aged 77 years.
You take my name, sir.
I am a diabetic. I am ailing with other age-related diseases. I need my money back. That was a hard-earned money was kept in the bank, hoping that we would get back whenever we wanted it. But we never thought that the bank would deceive like us. Embezzlement has taken place. It's a dream. We never dreamt it. In the hour of need, we don't have money. What can we do? Where can we go?
The depositors are demanding that RBI and government try to replicate the formula which was being followed in Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank to settle down all their problems.
The state's electoral representatives have assured depositors that the centre has taken stock of the issue and will attempt to streamline the banking system.
We have now discussed this matter n number of times with our Honorable Finance Minister. Vehemently we have been speaking to her, telling the plight of the depositors. Today what has happened is, the so-called president of that place, of the bank and others, they have all been apprehended also. He is in jail. Now the most important thing is, they have been issued monies, they have been given money from different fictitious accounts. So our people are probing deep into this subject. Our corps of detectives, the COD department of the police, is also doing a fantastic job by probing deeply into this subject.
The SGRS Bank has been under the scanner for misappropriation of funds worth Rs 1,400 crores. With 29 depositors already succumbing during the battle against the bank, will justice be served soon?
Out of 2,500 crores, 921 crores has been given as loans to 27 people. Yes, you heard right, that only 27 people have availed the loan of this big volume, and most of this loan still remain as NPA, where the RBI as well as Guru Raghavendra Bank is still struggling to recover the money from all these defaulters.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.